In every criminal and civil trial, courts rely on evidence to determine the truth. Evidence may come from witnesses, experts, or physical objects. But one very important category of evidence is documentary evidence. So what exactly is documentary evidence in court? Documentary evidence refers to any written or recorded material that is presented before the court to prove or disprove a fact and issue. It includes official records, contracts, agreements, letters, receipts, government notifications, certificates, and other legally recognized documents. In simple terms, if a fact can be shown through a document, that document may become evidence in court. For example, a signed contract may prove the existence of an agreement. A registered sale deed may prove ownership of property. A birth certificate may establish age. Bank statements may show financial transactions. Courts examine documentary evidence carefully. The document must be relevant to the case. It must also be properly produced and authenticated. Sometimes the original document is required. In certain situations, certified copies may also be accepted according to law. The court also considers whether the document was legally obtained and whether it appears genuine. If a document is forged or fabricated, it loses its evidentiary value and may even lead to criminal consequences. Documentary evidence can sometimes carry more weight than oral testimony, especially when the document is official and properly certified. However, documents are not automatically accepted. Opposing parties have the right to challenge the authenticity or relevance of a document. They may question whether the document was altered, forged, or improperly created. Understanding documentary evidence is important because many legal rights and obligations are recorded in written form. Courts depend on documents to verify transactions, relationships, and legal responsibilities. Knowing what documentary evidence means helps citizens understand the importance of maintaining proper records and preserving important papers. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.